Hey guys, it's your girl Taya back here with another video. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got my hair this color. I decided that I was bored with my old hair color and I wanted to go ahead and take you guys along this journey with me. So I decided to go to the store, pick up 2 box dyes, and that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. My DIY at home dye session that I had. I just wanted to film it for you guys. So I don't want to make this intro too long. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. You guys know the drill. Thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you guys like it, and I'll be back when we're all done. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. I am going to be using 2 colors, and my first color that I'm going to be using for the majority of my head is going to be this honey blonde, which is a number C41, and this box dye was pretty hard to find. I saw it before on Hazel Goddess's channel when she got her whole entire head dyed blonde. I think it was for like promo or something, and so I tried it before and I remember it coming out good, but this has been a while now. So and as you guys can tell, I don't really have much color in my hair anymore. So I want my hair to be pretty much blonde. I don't know how much or how light it'll be, considering it is pretty dark to start with, but nonetheless I'm gonna be trying it out, and I figure why not film it for you guys. If it's a fail, oh well, but if it works out, then your girl gonna be feeling herself with her blonde hair. Hopefully it works out. All right, so that's the first color. The second color is going to be the light golden blonde, and this is how the box looks, and these are the products that are inside. You have a lightening booster for the lighter blonde, and then it also came with a cream developer. This is going to be added into this, and then you have number 2, and this also is going to be added into the first one. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and this is going to be mostly for the tips of my head. So let's go ahead and do that. Do I have scissors? That's okay. Ooh. And what else comes in the box? They also provide you with a hair conditioner, which I probably will not be using this. I more than likely will be going straight into deep conditioning, because you guys, dyeing definitely makes sure, well, bleaching makes your hair dry. So I'm gonna need like a deep conditioner, which I'm gonna do right after. And then they give you some gloves. So these are all the things that come in the box, and of course the instructions. So yes. All right, there we go. This one. All right guys, I am a little nervous. Why? Because I don't know, y'all, I just feel like dyeing your hair at home, then you're just gonna shake, 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 shake. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Let this sit while I get my other one ready, because this I'm gonna try to mainly focus on my tips, and then this one I'm gonna focus on the majority of my head. So this is the lightest blonde, and this is the honey blonde. And I don't think I'm gonna dye the top of my hair. I think I'm just gonna leave my roots. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. But I'm gonna go ahead and put, oops, I'm gonna put this side up as well. And we're gonna just go ahead and get started. guys, I'm back. This is all of it in my hair now. So what I'm gonna do is just take this off from my neck so I can show you guys how it looks. I'm all done applying the color in my hair, and as you guys see, I didn't really touch the top. I wanted to kind of leave the top dark and just kind of give it like an ombre effect. So that is the look I'm going for. I hope it works out. I am really nervous. This stuff stinks. I don't want to touch it too much because it does stink. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and just cover my head with a plastic bag, and that's it. I don't know if I'm gonna sit in the dryer, but I'm gonna sit with it on my head for about 25 minutes, and then I think like every 10 minutes or so I'm just gonna check to make sure, see how it's looking, and I'll be back to show you guys the results. And that is it for this video. You guys stay blessed and glow up, girl. Glow on, girl. Just glow, girl. All right, I'll talk to you guys in the next one.